Welcome back. Now let us learn one of the advanced topic, layout. And layout is generally used to position the elements. And all of us know that UI, if you see over here, I'm trying to take the mouse there. Yes. See, if you see, all the UI are in 2 dimensions, X and Y. And once you go little bit more advanced, that is 3 dimension. In 3 dimension with the Z dimension, that is one above others. Those who are from mathematics background or if in a simple understand X, Y, Z, then this is the 3-dimension coordinate. Even the layout also works similar to this one. So layout is having the X dimension and it is divided 12 logical units. So you can have, say, column 3, it means 3 units over here, 5 units over here, and left out around 4 units here. And you can have a number of rows as much as you want. This is how the layout works. And we have seen the fluid page. I know that I am yet to explain you the detail of fluid page. Fluid page I will explain you at the appropriate time. Right now think that there is a fluid row. Fluid row means this kind of row which can adjust or which can take the column depending upon the inputs. So this fluid row adds the rows to the grid. Okay, and once the row had been added, you can say how much column you want. If you say column 3, it will give you the 3 unit of a space. 5 means 5 unit of a space, and the input, that these kind of things we want to put it. So let us show it. And if you want, this is one way, and this is the output of this one. So 3, it means the very first one is around 3, which is the blank. Then 5, this is the 5, and the 5 is the slider input has been given. So this input widget has been kept it over here. And if you see this float of second row, column 4, that is fine. It means that is the length 4, offset 8. Offset, meaning offset is that you leave 8 space. So 8 space has been left, and then the column of the 4 unit has been captured, and output or the widget or the control over here is histogram. So this is what the histogram is plotted here. This is how you can design the layouts, and you can have the row inside the row, column inside the column. We'll go and see that how we can nest and how you can go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and please open the file 7. So file 7 I'm opening, and first let me run it so that at least you see the output, and then I can explain. Yeah. So if you see that we have a 2 control over here, slider, some title, and this is the summary, and this is the histogram. So let us see what is the code behind it. So first of all, this is the row. It is saying width 5, slider of around 5. Okay, and this is the first column, and the second column is this is the width of 3 and text input. This is the first row. So let us see the first row. So this is the first of this around 5 unit. This is the 3 unit. Okay, and you will see that there is just some space and all. So that I will explain you a little bit later that how you can reduce the space over here and so. The second row is having the action button. Click to update. So this is the second row. This is the second row over here. This is the things at the center. And third row is having empty. I think nothing has been there. Okay, and the fourth row is the output, where we have kept the histogram and statistics. That is the summary part. This is the fourth row. So first histogram, then the summary, and so on. And output variable, this server variables I have explained earlier. So it is a similar. There is not much change. So this is what the layout is mostly specific to the UI part. It does not change your server function, and UI part is the most impacted by the layout functions. So that's all for the layout. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next one.